Hi, I'm Michelle Onifray with International Mountain Connection. Welcome to Mountain Madness. In this episode, I'm going to talk about what it means to be snowed in. Why is it important? Well, if you're a guide and you have a snowshoe activity planned, or if you're a ski instructor and you have a ski lesson planned, maybe your phone rings. It's your client and they say, "I'm sorry, I have to cancel because I'm snowed in." Or maybe you have a vacation planned in the mountains and the mountain lodge calls you and they say, "I'm sorry, we have to cancel your reservation because we're snowed in." So what does it mean to be snowed in? Well, here is a good example. Let's say it's been snowing all night and you wake up to this. There is snow everywhere. You can barely see the door. So you are snowed in. You can't leave your home and people can't easily come to you. And true, this might be an extreme example. However, let's say that your car is parked outside and when you wake up, it looks like this. So you have to clear all of the snow from the top of your car. But if your car is in a driveway, that place that's between your garage and the main road, well, that's covered in snow too. So you need to use a shovel to be able to get your car out because you are snowed in. Your driveway is covered in snow. And hopefully you have a shovel that's bigger than the shovel in your avalanche safety kit because those are small. Let's say you cleared all of the snow from your car and you cleared the driveway. However, the main road still has this much snow on it. So if you try to go driving in this snow, you're going to get stuck. So what do you have to do? You have to wait for a snowplow because until the snowplow comes, you are snowed in. You can't leave your home with your car because if you do, you're going to get stuck. So what's a snowplow? Excellent question. This is a snowplow. A snowplow is a piece of machinery that has one or two blades in the front. It's going to clear the snow from the road so you can leave your home. Depending on where you live, a snowplow can come in 1 or 2 hours, so you're not snowed in for a long time. However, sometimes you live in a community where there aren't a lot of snowplows, and it can take many hours or even several days before the roads are cleared using the snowplows. So being snowed in isn't really too bad if you have electricity, if you have water, and if you have plenty of food. If you do have all of these things, it's very easy to sit in front of the fire, drink some hot chocolate, or if you live in the French Alps near Grenoble, maybe you're drinking a green show. But you can sit back and you can relax and enjoy being snowed in. Obviously, if you don't have electricity or you don't have a lot of food or water, being snowed in is a problem. So, if you are snowed in, that means that you can't leave your home and people can't come to you because there is so much snow. Sometimes when you learn a new expression or phrase, we're not really sure how to use it correctly. So when we say that we're snowed in isn't going to change if we're talking about the past, the present, or the future. The verb to be is going to go in front, and that is what is going to be conjugated. So if we're talking about the past, I was snowed in. In the present, I am snowed in. Or in the future, I'm going to be snowed in. So now you know what it means to be snowed in and how to use it correctly. Have you ever been snowed in before? If you have, tell me about it in the comments below. Thank you for joining me. And if you would like to know when the next International Mountain Connection video is released, all you have to do is click on the subscribe button and the bell. And why trust International Mountain Connection with your English training? Because Brian isn't in the kitchen, he's in the mountains. I'll see you soon. Bye.